Good morrow.
She came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
If you're wondering what the whole getup is, we got the Renaissance Fair in a little bit. But first, I want to show you guys, I got my interior back together!
Yeah, it looks really good, Kai.
Now, if you're new here, you missed the last couple videos, I did a full restoration on my floor. Brand new floor underneath this carpet. And it feels so much better knowing that the floor is all mint underneath. I took away passenger privileges. Sorry, Jord.
Whatever, I didn't fit in this thing anyway.
I actually ordered a custom thrash seat. It's not going to be here until like January though, so you'll probably forget about it. I'll forget about it until it arrives. Until that comes, no passenger privileges. Now, before we head off to the Renaissance Fair, I want to install my metal fire extinguisher bracket so I can pass tech at Lock City if I ever want to drive.
And realistically, a lot of other trucks.
Exactly. So I ordered this little bad boy on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description.
I think it was $16.
If you'd like. I'm going to put it exactly where my last one was.
You had it backwards.
Oh.
It's upside down.
So I'm going to have it exactly where my last one was. It looks like I'm going to have to drill another hole probably over here because these do not line up anymore. We're just going to have to drill one hole right there. So let me go grab a marker to mark that up. Got our marker. I already screwed this one in to hold it into place. Make sure it's straight.
Nice, drill
Ta-da.
that hole.
I'll drill your hole. Limiter new gloves.
Good stuff.
It's a good thing I moved all my wires to the other side. Interior back together. Next step. I can't press it.
Yeah, I know, that's why I was going to do it. Really
Switching
fun.
sides. Hell yeah, brother. Tighten this one. And voila! I got myself a metal fire extinguisher bracket.
You could pass tech anywhere.
Hell yeah.
Alright, Kai, what do you think of this mechanism and how it works? Confusing or not?
A little confusing, but pretty fancy. I had to have Jordy help me with the first one. That's why he didn't get to see that one put on. But it looks like they slip right in these little crevices. Gonna tighten this one a little more.
Nice.
Let's put her in.
Dude, nice, Kai.
Sick. I killed that. I'm gonna move
Killed
the fire extinguisher a little more up though. So I'm gonna screw it, push it up. Voila! Interior is
Interior is so good,
Oh
you're
my God.
gagging.
Yay!
It's actually really, really sick looking.
Now it's on with the fair! Come on, my Viking peasant.
My lord.
Yeah! Outfit checks.
The next morning.
And we're back! If you guessed what we're doing today, then you guessed right. And I hope you guessed that we're finally gonna paint this thing. If you missed a couple episodes ago, this is the Limitless Auto Fab Bash Bar rear. It's for my rear.
For
My rear. Miata. Anyways, first things first, gotta get a red scuff pad and scuff this thing. That's a good thing.
Oh, you got the stash. So
Oh,
that's
yeah.
where all the scuff pads have been going.
Yeah, I've been hiding my stash. Mine. We're gonna be here for a little bit, so come back in like 10 minutes.
20 minutes.
10
Maybe
minutes.
30.
10
Maybe
minutes.
40.
10 minutes later,
30.
it was not 30 minutes.
Nice. Good coat.
Thanks. Don't worry, that's not how I'm gonna paint it. I tried to do that so smooth and I failed.
Alright, be back in 10 minutes.
Hey, whoa.
What color did you go with?
I went with this fun little silver. It's very sparkly. I feel like it's very me.
Bubbly.
Yeah. Little hint, it's gonna go with the rest of the car. I can't open
You
it.
good? You're struggling with that, huh?
Safety lock.
Nice.
Ooh, you see the sparkles?
This stuff goes on super. Yeah.
That's crazy. I love that.
Nice. For some reason, like, it's engine enamel paint, but the engine enamel paint smells like real paint. As weird as that sounds. Like, spray paint has its own smell, but this doesn't smell like spray paint.
I'm getting glitter all over my car.
Good thing you have to sand it down.
A few moments later.
Look at this scene.
Overspray was going too crazy over there. While that dries, I need to take off my bumper. And to do that, taillights need to come off, finish panel needs to come off. I went to go do that, and guys, I think it's time to retire the heart taillights. What do you think? Let me know in the comments.
Taking off the bumper. You sit down, Kai. You look tired. Take a breather, dude. Be back in 10, maybe 20. Dude, I did it.
Oh look, it's a piece of vinyl I forgot.
I see whoever mounted this thing, because I would have did it the exact same way.
Screw there, screw there, screw there.
Yeah, and then zip tie on each corner.
That's how we're gonna do it again.
Exactly.
Oh my god, she's so naked.
Bumpers are crazy. Think we could get the one zip tie?
Yeah, you got it.
You lied, Kai. It's a screw. It's not a zip tie.
I didn't realize it.
Oh.
Look at the bumper this bitch got.
That crash bar. You can back into anything and not.
Guys, rip it.
Yeah. Pull that. Yeah. Get rid of that junk. I have a ratchet. Nice, dude. I feel like there should have been 4 bolts in that. Not gonna really say anything about it, but
You definitely should have.
there should have been.
fine.
All right, Kai, what's going on?
Cleaned and penetrated my holes.
Damn, that's my job.
So
All
now
right, put it in. Come on. I'm waiting for this.
I thought
I'm
that was your
excited.
job too. Yeah.
Come on, one at a time. Let's go.
Trying. It's heavy. I don't want to ruin my new paint job.
Is it heavy? Here, I'll put it down. I'll help you
Official.
out. Looks really good. Kai, I think we can pick this thing up. Do it again. Yeah, I don't think you got it.
Let's see if you got it. No. I changed.
Outfit change looks good, Kai. Good
Yeah.
job.
It's really hot out.
All right, what are we doing?
It's not summer anymore, technically. Weather says otherwise, but no pool noodles are available for sale. So we gotta make do.
Normally when you guys get a bash bar, you get rid of that stock mounting point. It's hard to mount the bumper. So we're being smart for once.
We're in the ghetto.
Tiny piece, tiny piece. Let's test it before we put more tape on it, because I feel like that's too thick. Survey says
Survey says hot.
height's good. All right, let's wrap this thing in tape.
Now to mount this, we're gonna put a bracket that goes straight out from here. Whoop, onto the bumper. It'll make sense when you see it. See, now Jordy's got the template out. Got all our materials.
I'm using my brain. Get up the bench.
Make my shit straight.
Dude, my calculation was perfect.
This is a crazy way you're doing it.
I just want a point of reference.
Usually people mark it with, a marker.
You know what, Kylie?
I don't even think Jordy can get the angle. Next up, we got the Master Gripper 5000, aka our rib nut gun. Grip, grip.
Stop.
Many frame building attempts later.
All right, we got our bumper fitted. It looks so good. I think it fits a lot better than it did before. We're gonna test out the jack.
Let's see if it works.
Oh, Mitt.
There you go, Kai. More magical Miata workshop stuff.
Kai's magical Miata dream adventure.
Dream adventure, thank
That's
you.
what it was. There's just something about not having to take off my side skirts to jack up my car.
Put a screw in this thing and call it a day, Kai. I'm
right.
tired. It's just more and more missing.
Missing bolts in my finish panel.
Give me them things.
Finish panel looks good.
Looks really good. Fits a lot better.
Sick. We're all put back together. Thanks to Jord.
Body guy George.
Someone asked me if you have a channel. I was like, yeah, mine.
I don't have time for that. I barely can post on Instagram, let alone make a YouTube channel.
Yeah, tell me about it. Ta-da! We will be back tomorrow. I still gotta do the undercoat. See you then. Good morning, good morning. Today's the day we finish up the floor, do the undercoat. Car's already jacked up thanks to George, so let's get to it. First things first, I need to get a hammer and flush this lip. See how it is, you want it flushed. Okay guys, got my wire wheel, I got my hammer, I got my light, I got my tripod set up, I'm on the floor. Let's get started. Alright, you see this lip right there? I needed to go grab an extension because I'm gonna put it against there and hammer that bitch. So let's go back to time lapse. Okay. I feel like I'm in a hazmat suit or something. We're just gonna leave that lip how it is. We're gonna seam seal the out of it when it comes down to it. I'm gonna start wire wheeling this side and then we'll hop on the other side, bang that bitch out, and wire wheel the same. This is all ready to be sprayed with Steelit. The other side, the other side, the other side of Miata. It's time to do. We are making progress, guys. I am filthy. It's okay. We are all ready to spray Steelit on both sides, so let's go do that. Can't really see. Oh yeah, you can. Yeah, other side. Leave it to my mentor to always show up and tell me I'm doing wrong.
I don't want you to fail.
So instead of Steelit, we got, what is that, Anthony? Show them.
This is rust trap.
Oh yeah,
So,
Sem, baby.
Put it in a can. They don't come in cans. You just gotta inject them. People don't gonna see it like this. It's something custom.
You got Anthony on the clock now?
Yeah, Anthony told me I gotta lower my fuel lines because I gotta do it right instead of doing it twice.
Yeah, I don't want her to fail. Or you wanna record the gap?
Yeah.
Go underneath. You see?
Jeez.
That's what you gotta cover. If you don't cover that, you will get rust.
Damn, so we might have done it right, but now we have to wait 24 hours.
Better that like that. That way it doesn't get rust.
So we'll be back to finish this tomorrow, seam sealer and undercoat. As we wait for that to dry, don't worry, I'm not going to leave you guys off until tomorrow. I want to fit my heart washers onto my side skirt. If you remember from the last video, I cleared these. They are ready to go. They were made from the same guy that made Jordy's flame washers. I'm going to screw back in the side skirt to see the mock-up. Good to go. Now we're going to take our 4 Allen and 2 of these and 2 of these. I already love it. I'm gonna do the other side and then we'll see the full vision. Oh yeah. Style points. Now unfortunately that is all the time we have for today. I promised Micro I'd go help them out. If you don't know who Micro Print Shop is, those are the guys who do my merch, DJ Noe's merch, Oaks Garage merch, all of it. Check them out. But I'll see you guys tomorrow for more. Good morning! If it looks like I was crying, it's because I was. I'm gonna be completely transparent with you guys. I lost someone really important to me, but I'm still determined to get my car done. So, got this gray seam sealer that Anthony dropped off. It dries in 5 to 10 minutes, so we're gonna send Jordy underneath the car to do that.
15 minutes later.
Jordy says all my gaps are filled.
Leaning off the tip right now.
While I wait for that to dry, just remember this is the last week. You can buy a Kai Quinn embroidered logo hoodie. Link is in the description below. Last chance. It's getting cold, guys. You know you want one. You know you want one. We'll be back from the undercoat. Okay, we got our Dupli color professional undercoat and sound eliminator. Switching to the phone so I can show you guys the underneath. Here's what Jordy did, and I'm about to go spray all over that. Got both sides done. Of course, that's not gonna focus. There we go. Both sides are done. Now I gotta screw in the few lines. We are Gucci. Now, time to put the car down. Not on me though. KBD. I'm gonna end the video here. I apologize if this is super short, but to be quite honest with you, I am not doing the best. I'm gonna take this week off. Self-care is super important. I'm gonna save fitting the rest of the kit on for when we actually prep the car. Spoon is on vacation again, so I gotta wait until he gets back in order for me to put my car in his garage and do all that. So until then, buy a sweatshirt. Please like, comment, subscribe. See you guys next week.